Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I created this natural look using the gorgeous Weekend Glow collection. Starting with the mini Golden Glow Illuminating Balm on my cheeks, forehead and chin to create a bronzy glow. Then going in with the mini Pink Glow Illuminating Balm on all the highest points of my face, like the bridge and tip of my nose and on my cupid's bow. Look how gorgeous that glow is. I'm using my corrector to counteract any darkness underneath my eyes, but leaving the natural depth along my lash line, as this will act as a soft shadow later on. Then popping a little more over any discoloration around my face. For foundation, I'm using Nude Finish Tinted Moisturizer for a very light, effortless coverage on the skin. I love spreading a thin layer on my hand and applying with a bronzer brush to give a soft and even finish to the skin. How gorgeous and dewy does that look? As always, I'm using Cool Almond foundation stick as a bronzer to add a little warmth and structure to my face. I am applying this with the blusher brush. I'm using the Intensive Skin Serum Concealer as it has a lighter texture and coverage to it. For my highlight, I'm going in with Opal Glow from the Stroke of Luck collection, as this gives a soft dewy finish to the cheeks. Using Bare Pink Extra Lip Tint as a blusher, as it gives a very soft pink flush, and I'm applying it with the blusher brush. As I have mainly used cream products for this look, I'm making sure to set my T-zone with the Sheer Finish pressed powder. Priming my eyes with a Longwear eye base to make sure my eyeshadows stay on all day long. Keeping my eye makeup really simple and pressing my favorite Sunlight Sparkle all over my lid. For eyeliner, I'm using Cocoa eyeshadow and softly buffing it through my lash line from corner to corner, then blending it in a downwards motion to keep the depth of color on my lash line. Also running this on the bottom lash line just to give a little more definition and emphasize the natural depth I already have. Then of course, finishing the look with Smokey Eye Mascara. For a juicy nude lip, I'm going in with Cocoa Lip Liner, then popping on the beautiful Bare Nude Sparkle Extra Lip Tint all over. And there you have it. Here is my soft, everyday look using the Weekend Glow collection. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a beautiful day.